Hello friends, today I am going to share my journey as a teacher from the year 1994 to 2024. Actually, I had worked at a private residential school for the first 4 years, from 94 to 98. Then again in a different residential school for 2 years, and then I had a little time of gap. Then again I started job in the year 2012. In between I did some petty jobs, but and from 2012 I'm still continuing the same job as a teacher in a very remote area. So the difference between working in a residential school and in a village school is quite different. In residential school we get ready-made children. Most of the children are ready-made. Their parents are very responsible. They know the importance of education. They teach their children beforehand, before coming to school. So we have no much more problem. Just we revise, we teach them, and our work is very easy then. But when I came to this village school, it's day and night difference from the residential private school, because here parents, they don't give much importance to education, that their child must study, their child must do good or better in their studies. If they are coming, going, they don't have any importance. They are not responsible for their child's education. Villagers think it is the responsibility of government and the teachers, because teachers are paid by the government. So let them do whatever they want. But without their cooperation, coordination, we can't help them out. The 4-5 hours we get in a school, and that much is not enough for a child, for a child's education, for his behavioral changes, for different activities. The parents also must look after these small things, and only teaching, doing assessment, getting result, I think this is not a part of education. Education as a whole, holistic development, whether his irregularity, his neatness, his physical health, exercise, all these things comes together. I found parents of private institutions, they were much more aware of these things. But when I come to this village school, I found it very difficult. And so many times in the parent teachers meetings, I wanted to bring up this matter, but very few guardians will coordinate with you, because they won't come. They said, for going this meeting, what I'll get, because I have to go and work for my living. So it's very difficult in the village area to teach. It is very hard. The sentence we know, teaching is a noble job. So that 100% that sentence is matched in the village area. What I am doing is a noble job, and how much I could improve them, how much I could educate them, how much I could change them through education, that God knows and I don't know. So thank you. These are my inner feelings. If you like to share some comments regarding this, please share. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.